Basically, guys, this happened while I was playing with my half-brother, like, thing. Something crazy funny happened. Here you go.
보다가 난다 맞아 파 어이 이거 이게 딱 잡고 오더니 yeah there's a technical problem.
What is going on here? I never played an instrument.
Det står färgen där nere i radion. Jag börjar pusha då. Ja, jag hade gått ut. Hoppa ur oss när. Hoppa ur oss blir. No one there.
What is going on?
Hope you enjoyed that clip, and I hope we can make more of these. Like, I think should be like highlights from when I don't make gameplays and stuff. This actually I think it's really interesting to make. So I hope you guys like it. Please tell me that you like it if you want to see more. Don't need to subscribe or anything, just tell me if you want to see more, because I want to make new